There's still a battle to fight for women. Ebony and Amanda, do you feel booth staff is recognizing women as buyers, or is there still work to be done?
Well, I want to go first.
Okay.
Sometimes I think here's a good way to bring.
You didn't want to sit here first, though.
No, I don't want to sit there. Sometimes I don't want to be thought of as a buyer. Sometimes it's nice to come in and they don't think you're a buyer because you get to feel how they treat you. And I don't know, it's kind of like a spy. So that's my take on it. There's a lot of times I don't want to be the buyer. I just want to see it, from a different lens.
I don't know. I'm a little different. When I go, I let them know I got the checkbook to buy. So, I did that at Cat and I got a roll. They didn't expect it. So I like it. I think we still have work to do, though, for women. I just asked last night, about the demographics. Are we noticing more women coming to the conferences? Because not so much of a male-dominated industry really anymore. So there are a lot of women running the gun in this industry, and not just CEOs like myself. There are other roles within the company, and they are at these shows, and some of them are buyers for companies, or some of them are, just a representative, and they're going to go back to the business and say, I think the business, we will benefit from using, X, Y, Z. So I think we still have work to do, but.
Why do you think that is? You mentioned, there's more women coming into it, and why do you think that is? What is drawing more women into construction or being in these positions, like you said?
Well, I'll say this for me, because I get this a lot. How did you get into this? I've done some of everything, but this just worked. And I think women are just risking it. Some of them are getting into this industry like myself, where their father owned it or their grandfather owned it, or, they came in as a executive assistant and then they just worked their way up through the chain with whichever company they work for. But I think women are extremely great in this industry, and we have such a better eye than men sometimes. And it just works for women. Just like it works for men, it works for women too, especially on the project management side. I think women are killing it. And dump trucks, doing that. The women have it. The women have it for me.
I love it. No, that's a great answer. 100%. You're right on the dump trucks. We have a woman dump truck driver at our operation, and it is the cleanest, best kept truck.
Yeah.
And we're ordering a new one, and she gets it first over everybody else.
Behind that are real.
No, exactly.
Statistics are real that female truck drivers outperform and take care of their equipment.
I mean, I've backed out a truck for guys before. They had to pick their face up. They didn't expect it.